Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Metapixel to WordPress for conversion optimization step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to the plugins section on the left sidebar. Click on Add New to search for new plugins. In the search bar, type Metapixel or Facebook for WordPress. Find the official Metapixel plugin and click on Install Now. After the installation, click on Activate to enable the plugin. Once activated, you will see a new menu item labeled Metapixel in your dashboard. Click on Metapixel to begin the setup process. You will be prompted to connect your Facebook account. Log into your Facebook account associated with your business. Allow the necessary permissions for the plugin to access your Facebook data. Next, select the pixel you want to connect from the drop-down menu. If you do not have a pixel, follow the instructions to create one on your Facebook Ads Manager. After selecting your pixel, click on the Save Changes button. Now, navigate to the Events section within the Metapixel settings. Review the standard events to track, like page views and add to cart actions. Enable the events that are relevant to your business goals. Next, you can set up any custom conversions by clicking on Custom Conversions. Follow the prompts to define your custom conversions based on specific actions or values. Once your events and conversions are set, head back to the main Metapixel dashboard. Check to ensure your pixel is receiving data by using the Test Events feature. Visit your website in another tab and perform actions to trigger the events you set up. Return to the Metapixel dashboard to see if those events register correctly. If everything looks good, proceed to set up your Facebook ads campaigns. Use the data collected through your pixel to optimize your ad targeting and performance. Finally, regularly monitor the performance and make adjustments as needed based on your results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.